And as my husband just came back from the market, and this is ice block for our cooler. And then let me see what's about here. This is heavy. Let me put you people down before I'll be shaking your height up and down. Let me use my tripod. This tripod has been with me for years, like years. I've not bought all those things that I'm dreaming to buy you. Even, hey, let me just tell people. I want to buy a very good blender, like good blender, ninja blender. No, I saw the price on Amazon, and I saw the price from other people that buy from Amazon, and then they just come to sell on Instagram. So I'm coming. We'll continue this. Just let me open this thing so that you will see. Let me position this camera properly. Does it look good like this? Okay. Let me see. I bought that oil again. That's Sonola oil. My housekeeper is around. She has been cleaning, like doing cleaning. I'll give you gist about that one because I've been using her for years, but I stopped her for a while and then brought her back because I needed my house to look very sparkling. My sister is coming tomorrow. Her flight is by 8 o'clock. And I need everywhere to look nice. She's coming with my niece. I'm sure I must have said that in a previous vlog. But yeah. This is tomato. This is a lot of tomato. This lighting is not good. Let me work on it. I'm coming. Okay. I had to put my tripod inside the sink. So this is tomato. My sister has been dreaming of my husband's stew. As you know now, he's a stew man. So I've been saying, cook that stew, cook that stew. This is a lot of tomato. Let me try it. It's a lot. Let me just put that one there. And what was I even saying before? I was talking about my housekeeper. Yeah, so I've been using her for years, and then I stopped her work, and then I brought her back because I needed everywhere to be clean. She's the kind of person that if you put her anywhere, like, I don't know how to explain it. She cleans so well. She just knows how to do the job. She has the patience. She has been cleaning since yesterday. And then I had to throw out a lot of things. This pepper. This is pepper. This is meat. A lot of beef meat. Let me just open it small for you to see. I'm sure you've seen it a lot on my video already. Oh, I love this part. Like, there's beef and there's fat with it. Let me see. There's beef and there's fat with it. It's gonna be juicy. She started doing the work since yesterday, and she's almost done, sha. So she will clean everywhere. She will wash your windows, wash your net. She's that kind of person. So that's why the job has lasted since yesterday to today. My house is a 3-bed, like 3-bedroom flat with a visitor's toilet. And then obviously there's the parlor and there's the dining room. I'm sure it's 1 or 2 clips from my video. You would have seen that the house is big. Okay, I brought people back here. You would have seen that our house is quite big, it's spacious. And my husband also got this. I don't know. Let me see the price. Nigeria, the top. Let me see. What is this? Okay, the oil. The oil costs 16,720, and then the Dettol is 14,200. Let me show you. My husband wants to break ice block. See as your daughter, they scream your name, and she does sabi call the name well. But answer how? Dada.
My daddy, my hero.
Me, she not call me like that too.
My daddy, my hero.
So I was giving people gist about the things I want to buy. I want to buy a lot of things. I'm in the laundry room anyway. So I'm watching. Oh, my daughter. She will not allow my husband rest. As far as she has heard this voice like this, she will not allow him rest. The girls and their father. Now, wow. So I was saying I have a lot of things to buy. I saw Ninja on Amazon, and I'm contemplating if I should just buy direct from Amazon or I should just save myself the stress of all those shipping things, pay extra custom waiting. I don't even know. I don't know. Let me just buy from the normal Instagram vendors that already have it in stock, because I don't think I can wait that long. If I order it, I want to get it like in the next 1 day or 2 days, that kind of thing. So I want to buy the complete Ninja blender, like the 3-in-1 or the 4-in-1, that IntelliSense whatever. If I see a picture, I'll put it on the screen. If I get the picture, I'll put it on the screen so you see it. Then I want to buy my cooker. Yeah, my cooker is big, it has an oven, it's large, it's 5 burners, and I want to dispose of it. I will sell it, get money from it, and buy this normal tabletop. Oh, sorry about the noise. So gas hob top stuff, I don't know, that thing that is just always on top. It doesn't have to be large, it's always inbuilt. You know that inbuilt gas thing, it's not even expensive. As I have a page where they sell all those things, so I'm going to buy from them. What else? So the money from my regular cooker, I will add money to it. I will even have change save and use it to buy that one. And what again do I want to buy? I want to buy a deep freezer. Jesus, I can't believe that I went from 2 big deep freezers to no freezer, to cooler. Literally to cooler, to an igloo cooler. That's the best we have now, to cooling something. And yeah, I want to buy deep freezer. I want to buy, what else do I want to buy? I want to buy one more AC, because we're moving out from here. We're moving out from this house. We're going to another house by the grace of God. And yeah, those are the things I need to buy for my kitchen, tabletop, gas stuff, and my Ninja blender. Then what again? What's this other thing? There's this thing, this oven. I'm going to buy that separate oven stuff where you can grill, you can dehydrate, you can bake, and you can do all those things. Yeah, I want to buy that kind of thing. And then what again? There's one other thing I wanted to buy, an air fryer. Okay, that one too comes with an air fryer. Yes, so everything is just in that one. I don't want to have too many equipments up and down, so I can do everything in that particular one: air frying, dehydrating, and baking and grilling. Yeah, so that's the one I want to get. Then what else? There's something else I want to buy. See, I've been talking. Let me just cut the gist. Yeah, that's just what is on top of my head now to do, and I will give you gist on other things. You'll see all the videos. I'll roll out all the videos, don't worry. I'll do my best to video what I can video, because capture what I can capture. Let me not sound like I'm old school. I will do my best to capture what I can. And yeah, that's what's going on for now. And please, thank you for always watching my videos, for always coming back. Like I said, my life is really boring. I don't do anything other than sit at home, take care of my children, cook, watch movies, and yeah, do a little work here and there, basically. So I hardly go out except something's taking me out. I hardly go out, but I just hope I can be able to just entertain you with the little that I have, and hopefully our life will become fun someday. If not, me, this is my fun place. That's why I don't really care so much about my views. I'm enjoying my life behind the scenes. That's just the truth. I'm enjoying my life a little much more, not a little much, safe, so much that sometimes I forget that I'm a YouTuber, even though I'm supposed to be receiving money from it. Like, the money is coming in tiny, just small little drops. It's my husband that is the mad guy in the YouTube. Don't mind me. But obviously his YouTube is doing so well than mine. But me, I'm like, passion first before the money. So it will always be that for me, because I love to edit. I love to edit my videos. I love the editing process. I love the selection of music, even though I'm going to change that. I'm using YouTube's music and it's not so great for me, but yeah, I'm just making do with it till I start paying for my music and stuff. And yeah, oh god, I'm tired of talking. Well, that's the only thing I want to say. Bye bye.